Hi, today we are going to learn how to solve parabola equations. If you notice, I have four equations that you can see on your screen. Let's try to show the graph of each equation. The first equation would give you a parabola that opens upward. The second equation would give you a parabola that opens downward. The third one will give you a parabola equation that opens to the right. And lastly, the fourth equation would give you a parabolic shape that opens to the left. Alright, let's have one example here. Given an equation, y squared minus 6y plus 8x plus 25 equals to 0. Let's try to find out where is the vertex of this parabola, the focus, and the length of the focus to the vertex. By the way, the vertex of the parabola is located here, and the focus is inside the parabola. And whatever distance you see here should be the same distance from the vertex to the directrix. And this is what we call the directrix line. So let's try solving this first equation that we have here. We will isolate the terms that have the same variable, and these are y squared and negative 6y. This means to say that we are going to find a way to move 8x and 25 to the other side by applying the inverse operation. Y squared minus 6y plus 8x minus 8x plus 25 minus 25 equals 0 minus 8x minus 25. Let's simplify the left side. We have y squared minus 6y equals negative 8x minus 25. We are going to do completing the square on the left side and take the numerical coefficients of the linear term. The linear term is negative 6y. Take the numerical coefficient of that term, divide it by 2, and get the square of it. Add it to both sides of the equation. We have y squared minus 6y plus 6 over 2 squared equals negative 8x minus 25y plus 6 over 2 squared. Let's simplify each side. We have y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals negative 8x minus 25 plus 9. Combine like terms on the right side. We have y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals negative 8x minus 16. We can factor the left side because we know that that's already a perfect square trinomial. We have y minus 3 squared equals, factoring the greatest common term of negative 8x and negative 16 is negative 8 times x plus 2. In this form here, this is now similar to one of these equations that I just wrote earlier. And which one of them? This is the fourth one. You notice it? We have y minus 3 squared equals negative 8x plus 2. There should be no squared for this equation here. My bad. It follows that our h is this term here and our k is this term here. Then the vertex of the parabola that we are going to be graphing later on will be negative 2, 3. Let us try to graph or plot the points. 1, 2, this is negative 2. 1, 2, 3, this is 3. So the vertex here is negative 2, 3. And we know that this parabola opens to the left side. All right. Now, where is the focus is located? Take note, guys, that this one here is a term represented here. So to solve for the length of the vertex going to the focus, take negative 4p, equate it to negative 8. And from there, solve for p. We're in dividing both sides by negative 4. Your p would be positive 2. This means to say that from the vertex, you're going to move 2 units to get to the focus. Negative 3, negative 4. So from this vertex here, move 2 units to the left. 1, 2. This follows that this is our focus. And the ordered pair that we can see in this point here is negative 4, 3. Where to find the line of the directrix? From your vertex, move the same distance from the focus to the vertex to the right. So we have 1, 2. In other words, this is the line or the fixed line, which what we call directrix, which is x equals 0. There you go. That's how you solve it.